Hello. Good day, everyone. Kamusta po kayo? I am Ma'am Chelsea Kate Sotelo from Binmalay, Pangasinan. Graduated at PIMSAT Colleges, Dagupan City, batch 2023. So last year, I got my licensed professional teacher. So here I am now, your lecturer. Okay, so bear with me, please. Thank you. So our topic lesson for today, it's all about Microsoft 365. So we're gonna show you the basic things on how to do some letters, papers. Okay, so we go to search, look for the apps, Microsoft 365, Word, then wait for a while. So, create blank document. So, here, first and foremost, okay, for me, the formal font style when you're gonna do exam, resume, or sa thesis nyo, it depends to your proctor or sa inyong groupmates. It's Times New Roman and then 12, okay? This one. Okay. I'll type some. Okay, chapter 1. Okay. 1. Okay, first. Okay, sa table of contents, we have chapter 1. And then, we're gonna make it bigger sizes. Okay, para makita po siya. Okay, like that. And so on. So, we have here, insert. Okay. About tables. Okay, this one, magagamit nyo itong tables pag nasa rationale na kayo. Okay, yung sa scale ng pag-survey nyo sa research nyo. Okay, we have sample here. 5. Yung magto-total na kayo ng score. Okay, for example, male and female. Then, kung ilang percentage yung na-survey nyo, you will definitely put here. Okay, that's the use of table of. Okay, remove a picture. Okay, kung may picture naman po kayong ilalagay, I may click the picture, device, and then wait, may magpapop na device, tab. Then hanapin nyo dyan kung saan nyo po nilagay yung picture na ilalagay nyo if you're doing your resume to apply a job or doing some examination for your kids. Okay po. Okay, next. Layout. Okay. Comes to columns. Use column 2. Okay. Pwedeng gumamit ng columns. Margins. Definitely, this is the normal. Usually, pag gagawa ng exam or something important paper, yung size ng paper is A4. Not long, not short, but A4 po. Okay po. References. Okay. You may insert table of contents. Okay. And then, here, editor, we have view. Ano pa yung pwede nyong ayusin dyan? Help. Okay, let's go to home. Okay. You may use the dictate voice. Okay. You're going to remove this one for a while para ma-open si dictate. Okay, dictate. Pwede kang magsalita without typing here in the Microsoft. Okay. So, naka-ready siya pero dapat. Okay. And then, mabuhay. Okay. Professional license teacher. License professional teacher. Look. Okay. Ang galing, no? Ang gandang tignan. Dictate. That's the basic things that you do here or magic na magagawa dito sa Microsoft 365. Look, ang ganda, oh. Nakakaloka. Yan, open nyo lang po yan and then hindi na po kayo mahihirapan na mag-type kung ano yung gusto nyong ilagay sa inyong paper. For example, sa output, exam, resume. Okay, konting edit lang po yan. Tapos aayusin nyo po yung format, lalagay sa middle. Okay? Ilagay natin siya sa middle. If you want to put some lines here, pindutan nyo lang itong U na may lines. Okay, ganyan. Gusto nyo may ma-highlight sa paper nyo. And for the highlight here. Okay. Kapag medyo naman malabo po yung mata nyo or gusto nyong ma-read lahat ng ginagawa nyo, punta po dito sa baba, right. Okay, naka-zoom, 100 level, regular. Okay, so I will definitely stop here. You can use that. It's easy. And then, for example, ito na yung nilalagay nyo sa resume, exam, or application letter. We will save it. Okay, you just write your name. So, it's convenient and easy, right? So, we move into file. It's going to save. Export. Okay, pag wala na kayong babaguhin, pwede nyo siyang i-download sa PDF. And then, pwede nyo siyang i-share through Gmail. Kung ang ginawa nyo po is resume to apply a job. Okay, so Tello Chelsea Kate. Okay, PDF. And then, you may go doon sa tab. Okay, sa inyong tab. And then, you can share it to Gmail when you're applying a job. Or, na-save na siya sa may USB nyo, sa may laptop nyo. Kung ang ginawa nyo po is examination for your children. Or, if it is research naman, pwede yung nakalagay, Chelsea Kate Sotelo, Chapter 1. Okay? Thank you so much. And mabuhay. God bless.